Waconda Boats is proud to be family owned and operated since 1976.
We strive to give you an enjoyable buying experience both before and after the sale.
With a large variety of top name brand fishing boats, pontoons, and deck boats, Waconda Boats has something for everyone.
We also have all the fishing and boating accessories along with a full service shop at both of our locations.
Stop by and see us today in Glen Elder, Kansas or Republican City, Nebraska.
Or check out our new and used inventory at wacondaboats.com.